Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and it's time for a impromptu video because my second book of Brandon Sanderson's Secret Projects just arrived in the mail today. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what goodies we have inside. Just go ahead and best thing to do is just open it. And then here, on the inside of the box, we have a quote saying, "You may call this a silly story. It is. That does not depreciate its truthfulness. After all, I am frequently quite silly, but I am almost always truthful," which is a quote by Wit. So I'm kind of curious to see what it is, which, I mean, I already know what the book is, and I got the PDF versions, but now that I'm getting the physical stuff, we got the spoiler card, which this box contains magic, wizards, hidden fees. We're gonna have the book, a bookmark, a sticker, and a pin. So same thing as last time, basically. Ooh, this is the bookmark. That's really nice there. Sorry, my ring light's kind of being hard to see, but I really do like the bookmark here, and it's really good quality material. Oh, this is the pin. We have Basher character pin. So I can add that with my other character pins. And then, oh, a sticker. Oh, that's cute. This little sticker we got, little wizard. And now for the part, I mean, we're all waiting for, and that is the book, which is the Frugal Wizard's Handbook for Surviving Medieval England. And this is the book itself. Let's go ahead and get this open if I can. I'm probably going to struggle because it's packaged nice, which is a good thing because, you know, don't want to get it damaged in the mail, because, you know, the mail's not always careful when they ship stuff. They throw stuff around every which way when they're unloading and moving stuff. So opening this up, so still great quality as previous book Trust, which I have on display back there. And of course this one's illustrated too, and this theme overall is blue. Got some nice end pages here. And some more here. And basically the back of the book says, "We here at Frugal Wizard Inc. are committed to providing you with the highest quality experience possible, available to any true wizard for a reasonable price. We provide the fun, you provide the body." And then, and the money, don't forget the money. Also, we mean your own body, though we don't ask too many questions. So this sounds like it's gonna be a really quirky read, and obviously nice little illustrations and stuff throughout. So I can't wait to dive into this one, and I hope I love it just as much as I loved reading Tress earlier this past month. So can't wait. So I guess that's it for this kind of rambly unboxing. There's not much organization or structure to this video, but I just wanted to share in my excitement as I experienced this box for the first time with unwrapping it. So I guess that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, feel free to click the like and subscribe button down below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.